You think the most dramatic part of an impeachment trial is the evidence, but what if it's actually the lawyers themselves? Kasi bakit mo pa kailangan ng reminder kung walang nangyayari, di ba? The trial of Vice President Sara Duterte has been so heated, sobrang init, that defense and prosecution lawyers have been throwing more than just legal arguments at each other. A lawyer had to step in on Sunday with a reminder most people assume is just obvious. Insults are not allowed during trial proceedings. Hindi ito debate class. This is a formal impeachment trial. Pero ang nangyari, someone literally had to say it out loud na parang first day rules sa classroom because the exchanges between both sides got that intense. So the real story isn't the reminder itself, it's that the reminder was necessary. Ang legal drama sa loob ng trial room ay mas mainit pa sa social media. If you want to keep up with everything happening inside that courtroom, we cover it every day. Subscribe. Because apparently even lawyers need to be told to play nice.